Hello friends, this is Pritha Chakraborty Mishra from Niharika Boutique. Today I am going to show some pure silk, block printed pure silk and some hand painted pure silk. Number 1 saree. This is the black one, classy. This is all our hand blocked. The archal portion is like, and the saree is after pleating this saree, this is a script one, printed saree, script printed saree, and the blouse piece is red. Price of this saree is 3550. Number 2, friends, please do subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook and Insta page. Press bell icon for the further notifications. My booking number is 9330542079. If you like my saree, please take a screenshot and send us on this number. The next saree. These are pipli print. Archal portion is black and red. All the dye portion, and after pleating this saree, they look like too much stylish. And I am wearing also the pipli print. The next one is, these two are DTPP, Murshidabad DTPP. This price is 3550. Number 2 sarees. And the third saree is Bishnupur Katan. Hand painted saree, and the color is blue. Body color is blue and the lower portion is sky blue. And the archal is drawing seashell. It's a sea theme. And after draping, it's a very elegant, uncommon sari. Price for this, this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece and border portion, and price of the sari is 4850. Number 3, sari number 3. Sorry, this is sari number 4. This is also a Murshidabad DTPP. This is the Aanchal portion. And the color of this sari is, we can say, this is a, in Bengali we can say, this is a Ganga Jal color, and the lotus motif blocked here. All over the sari. If you like my sari, please take a screenshot and send us on 9330542079. This is my WhatsApp number and booking number also. I have another one. Price of this sari is 3050. Sari number 5, hand painted sari. Wow. Look at this sari. Golden yellow color, half of this sari, and the other half is painting. This is a bird and flower, not flower actually, this is a bird and leaf, different kinds of leaf drawn here. And this is the palla portion. It's elegant, na? This is really elegant one. After draping this sari, you look like. And the blouse piece is running. Price for this sari 3700. The another one is bright yellow color, mixing, actually this color is mixing yellow, lemon, yellow, orange and red. Hand painted sari. These all are pure silk. This is a Madhubani art, and the color is mixing all over the sari, and the sari body is totally plain because of this color and of this achal. after pleating this, you look like. Very bright color, very bright color. And the price of this saree is 3750. The next one is elegant one, classy. This is my first episode. Please do subscribe my channel, please, and follow my Facebook, Instagram page. The body color is red, and the archal portion is it's a different kind of block uses here. After draping this saree, it looks like and the blouse piece in line. Price for this saree is 3550 only. The next one is half of saree. Half portion is white, and look at the block. This is so unusual block, this block. And the other portion is poppin blue. Blouse piece is here. This is blouse piece. And price of this saree is 3550. These all are block printed saree. Next one is it's a lemon color. Yeah. My boutique address is 12 by 3E Dharmatala Road, Kolkata 39. This is pure silk. This is not a block print, this is a digital print in pure silk. And this is the archal. After draping, this is DTBP, but this fall is like katan. And the blouse piece is running. Price of the sari is also 3550. This is the same one which I am wearing. Pipli print in DTPP. And the blouse piece is, the price of the sari is also 3550. The next sari is, this is the archer. Very much elegant sari. This is the block and two color mixing here in this portion. And the body portion is the color is so bright. And this is the blouse. Please friend, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. And the price of the sari is 3550. The last one, last but not the least, this is DTPP Murshidabad silk. This is Murshidabad pure silk. Sorry, this is the blouse piece. Sorry. This is archer. Script. This color is granite grey. This color is granite grey, and all the sari is doing in this charge. It's a patli pallu kind sari. And the blouse piece is running. And the price of this sari is also 3550. If you like my saris, please take a screenshot and send us on 9333 054279 on this number. Send us. This is our WhatsApp number and booking number also. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata. Please do subscribe and my channel and follow my Facebook and Insta page. For further notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.